What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How, and guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix your PS4 Safe Mode loop in 2019. Alright, so for this part of the video on the PS4 Safe Mode loop fix, I'm not going to actually do this part on my PS4, but what you need to do if you're in safe mode, you need to go ahead and choose the number 6 is initialize your PS4. Trust me, if you're watching this video, I know most of you had PlayStation Plus. So once you initialize your PS4, which is deleting everything, you will be able to recover all your data from the online storage because PS Plus recovers your data from the online storage. So just go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to be showing you the part 2 of how to recover your PS4 data after initializing it. Basically, what you have to do is reset everything. So I'm going to show you how to get all your information back. But what you want to do is you want to make sure you have PS Plus. So if you don't have PS Plus, go ahead and get it from the PlayStation Store. And I'm going to show you how to get PlayStation Plus. And if you haven't got it before, you may be able to get the PS Plus 14-day trial if you haven't got it before. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and type in PS Plus. And on this side, you should see the 14-day trial. So once you have that, all you have to do is go to the home menu again. And you want to go over to settings. And you want to scroll down until you get to application save data management. You want to click X on there. Okay, so now you should see save data in online storage. So click that and click X. All right. So then now you want to see, you see downloads of system storage. You want to click X again one more time. And just wait till that loads. And you see all my info is right here. So it's Madden NFL 19, Madden NFL 18, YouTube, and EA Sports. So that's all the games I have downloaded. And if I click right here, you see everything is on here. So all you have to do is click this. Look. All you have to do is check, and then you want to click download. But I'm not going to do it because I already have all my info back already. So yeah, that's basically how you get your info back. You see, if I go to here, you're going to click download, and that's it. And basically, everything will download back on your PS4. So yeah, that's how you get all your information back on your PS4 if you did not know how to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel because I'll be uploading content weekly so it can help you in your daily life. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And don't forget to share the video and we'll be back to show you how.